Hello, welcome back to the shop. I'm Darren and we're here again with the 2002 Lincoln LS. And today we're going to improve the factory headlights. Years of sun exposure, rock chips, bugs, and washing have really taken their toll on these headlights. And behind them is a really nice set of projector beams. But with all this yellowing, it's going to waste. We're going to take a 3M headlight restoring kit and show you how to improve the front of your Lexan headlighted car. Stay tuned for that. The 3M Headlight Restore Kit includes everything you need except for the electric drill. It has a series of 500 and 800 grit sanding pads, a 3000 grit buffing pad, a backing wheel and polishing pad, as well as masking tape and polishing compounds. Now that we know all the pieces to our kit, it's time to protect the vehicle from our sanding operations. The kit is supplied with this 1-inch green painter's tape for masking, but to improve our area of coverage, we're going to use this 2-inch stuff. And it's easy. Simply place some masking tape around the tops and bottoms of the headlight, any of the metal pieces, anything that you don't want sanded, that needs to be protected by tape. With our masking taken care of, it's now time to move on to the drill. Simply take the pad and put it into your common household drill. You don't want too fast of a drill. This is a skill one, which Sean tells me sucks. So this is ideal. We won't burn through the plastic or damage the lenses. We're gonna start with a 500 grit pad. This is the gold one. We're gonna start dry. That's different from most of the hand sanding kits. And we're going to work back and forth over the headlight using light pressure and paying attention that if it clogs, to quickly change the pad. So now that we've finished our 500 grit step, you can see that things look pretty bad. Things always get worse before they get better. Because now we're going to move on to our 800 grit. And we're going to do the exact same thing, simply moving the sander back and forth and removing all these swirls and etches that we've had to do to clean up the lens. So we finished up with our 800 grit application and you can see things are already improving. However, it's time to begin our polish. We're going to use our 3000 grit Trizact pad with some clean water to do a wet sand, and we're going to move it back and forth over the surface, making sure we pause to keep it wet, and this thing will brighten up remarkably. So as we can see, this is just one pass and already things are coming back. So it's time to keep going. After burnishing with the 3000 grit pad, the results speak for themselves. Things have really improved compared to where we started, and our next step now is to take our polishing pad and our rubbing compound. We're going to apply that all over the headlight. Put a dime-sized amount on the pad, work it back and forth, being sure not to pause in one place for too long. That will avoid burning. Look at that. That is smooth like glass. That looks brand new. That was only after 5 minutes with the rubbing compound, like no time at all. This looks like stock. It looks like it's right out of the box. I'm really impressed. I've done a lot of these headlight kits. I've even done polishing by hand. This is way easier, way better results. Man, that looks really good. Now I've got to move on to the other side. And through the movie magic of editing, you guys are going to see the final result. And there it is. Through editing, we're finished. Both sides are all done and they look awesome. Look like brand new, smooth as glass, and awesome light down the road. Highly recommend this kit to anyone out there who's got fogged up lenses. If they're plastic, don't worry, you can fix them up. But that concludes this video with our 2002 Lincoln LS project. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Later.